Hi students, welcome to Mr. Babu Biology Education. Today we are going to discuss about Mendel's laws of inheritance. Before we would like to discuss about some historical background of Mendel. So why we called as father of genetics? He proposed Mendel's laws of inheritance and also he conducted plant hybridization method. So plant hybridization. Plant hybridization on pea plant. Which plant? Pea plant. Now, for how many years? 7 years. 1856 to 1863. So from 1857 to 1859, he identified pure breeding variety. So that is what is the meaning of pure breeding? So what is the meaning of pure breeding? So in which variety unchanged many generations from parent to offspring. It is called as pure breeding variety. So 1865, he published a result. In which journal? Proceeding of Natural History Society of Bonn. So in which journal Mendel published his result? That is the Proceeding of Natural History Society of Bonn. Now what is the title of the paper? Experimental on plant hybridization. So what is the title of the paper? Experimental on plant hybridization. So this is the historical background of investigation. So generally first scientist he was used mathematic and logistic statistic analysis. So first scientist he was used mathematic logic and statistics analysis. So he was the first scientist. He can use the mathematics and logic statistic analysis. Now and also he followed rules of inheritance. And also he can find out the large number of sampling size. Large number of sampling sizes. Now, so from 1884, Mendel he died due to kidney problem. Till 1900 no one scientist rediscovered. 1900 three scientists they can rediscovered independently. So first scientist Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries, Karl Korens, third one, Erich Chermark. These are the three scientists rediscovered independently. This is the investigation of Mendel. Experimental material. Mendel experimental material. Mendel experimental material. Now, what is the Mendel experimental material? Mendel he selected garden pea plant for hybridization experiment. So garden pea plant. So garden pea plant scientific name Pisum sativum. This is the scientific name of pea plant, garden pea plant. So in this garden pea plant having how many chromosomes? 14 chromosomes. 2n number, 14 chromosome number. So from this 14 chromosome number, Mendel selected 7 characters. So now why Mendel chosen pea plant only? What is the main reason behind that? Why he didn't choose any other plant? So we have some reasons. Now see the reasons. Now first reason, plant is annual. The plant, annual plant. So what is the meaning of annual plant? They can complete the life cycle within the 1 year. That's why this is the plant is annual. So it's second one, that is the bisexual flower. So what is the flower here? Bisexual flower. What is the meaning of bisexual flower? If a male and female organisms are present in a single flower, it is called as bisexual flower. Now, third one, it can easy to cultivate. Now, easy to cultivate. And if the flower was bisexual, so we can expecting cross-pollination and self-pollination. Pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination or cross-pollination. Now, this is the fourth reason. Fifth reason, seeds producing large number of seeds. When the production of large number of seeds, we can easily minimize the experimental errors. So here, minimize the experimental errors. Minimize. When we can errors are minimized, large number of seeds are produced. That time we can easily experimental errors can minimize. Now sixth reason. What is the sixth reason? That is Plant is short plant. Short plant. But larger flower. Larger flower. Hybrids are fertile. Fertile regions. So these are the main regions, 7 regions. Mendel, he was say choose garden pea plant. Now what are those characters? 7 characters. Let us see the 7 characters. So what are those 7 characters? So pea plant is having how many number of chromosomes? 14 chromosomes, 2n condition. So from this 2n condition of the chromosomes, Mendel generally from the pea plant he was selected how many characters? 7 characters. So from the 7 characters, how many chromosomes are located for 7 characters? 1, 4, 5, 7. 4 chromosomes only located for 7 characters. Now let us see the characters. First character, that is stem height. Stem height, that is tall, another one is dwarf. Now second one, flower position. Flower position, axial or terminal. Now third character, that is flower color. Violet or white. Fourth one, pod shape. Full or inflated. This is constricted. Now what is the fifth character? Pod color. Green and yellow. Now sixth character, that is the seed color. Yellow and green. Now seventh character, seed shape. Round, wrinkled. So how many characters Mendel was chosen? 7 characters. From the 7 characters, how many number of chromosomes are located for 7 characters? 4 chromosomes. What are those 4 chromosomes here? This is stem height, 4th chromosome. This is also 4th chromosome, flower position, flower color, 1st chromosome, and pod shape, 4th chromosome, pod color, 5th chromosome, and seed color, 1st chromosome, and seed shape, 7th chromosome. So how many chromosomes are located for 7 characters? 4 chromosomes. First chromosome is located for seed color and flower color. So 7th chromosome is located seed shape. 4th chromosome is located for which character? Stem height, flower position, and pod shape. And 5th chromosome is located for which character? Pod color.